lastly, part 4.
False.
False also, why?
There's no end bracket.
Okay. Yes, there's no n. Describe the elements of each of the following sets in set notation. So since they asked it to be in set notation, we need to put it in a set notation form. Okay, so in part B, what do you think this actually describes? What kind of numbers are there? Prime numbers. Okay, so we will write t equals to x such that you can use any other letter. You want to use A, B also can. Just that over here, make sure it's like the same letter. Okay, so x is such that x is a prime number. Are there positive and negative prime numbers? Is negative 2 a prime number?
No.
No. Okay, what about you? How do I describe? Funny. Very shallow. How do I describe the set view? Huh? What would you write?
Multiples of 4?
X is such that x is what?
Multiples of 4?
Is a multiple of 4. Right? Last one for this section, question 11. Okay, first one, is this true or false?
False.
It is false. So how will you explain it?
O is an element.
Huh? 0 is an element. Okay, 0 is an element over here where this has no elements. So you could actually say address in terms of the number of elements. Okay, so you can say as n, this set is 1. But n of this is 0. Okay, so actually this will have addressed this part here, so this is 0. Right. Then part 2, we have said it just now, true or false? True, right? And then also this one we have also addressed it. Okay. question 5, 6C, 7C, D, and E. So after looking at sets, we will look at Venn diagrams. Have you encountered Venn diagrams anywhere before? Memes.
Yeah, we only draw
Okay, so
Venn
you see a lot in memes, I suppose, yes. You all draw Venn diagrams before? Why?
Sides.
Yeah, the in between is the similarity and the side.
Teachers do that. Okay, and so I think maybe you would have known how to interpret a Venn diagram, okay, based on all the memes that you have seen. Okay, so a Venn diagram, typically you have to draw a rectangular, okay, a rectangle around whatever circle that you have. So in this case, I have a circle that represents the set A. Then after that, in this particular set, I have the elements 1, 2, and 3. And then 4 and 5 are not part of the set A. Okay, so how do I interpret this? In the rectangle actually represents all the elements that are under consideration, okay, which we call the universal set. So this symbol over here represents the universal set. It's like an E in some ways. Okay? You need some practice for it. Even myself, I also don't draw it very well. It must look like it lah. You cannot draw until like that. Then that's like strand of hair, you know.
烂掉的 spring，
Is that the way of writing?
It's like an E with a curl on top and then a bottom stroke down. Okay? Okay, so the universal set is what we take into consideration. So in this particular case, right, my universal set would be will only be having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Then the circle actually represents the particular set A. Which has elements 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So the set A, whatever that's inside the set A would be the elements of the particular set.
So is that a Venn diagram?
Yes, this is a Venn diagram.
I thought it's a two circle thing.
No, it can be multiple circles. So that's why your memes are not accurate. Okay? That's why it's called meme, not Venn. Okay?
Okay, meme diagram. Meme diagram.
Yes. Yes. I mean, could have it in oval, I guess. Yeah.
So what's what?
Or square. Yeah. As long as a rectangle and a circle, yeah. Generally we use that. Okay. For people who have bad handwriting, please be careful. If you are required to draw a Venn diagram, and you have 1, 2, and 3, please don't put your 1, 2, 3 too close, otherwise it will look like 123, and that would represent one element. Okay, and then also there should not be any commas, so you should not be putting it in this manner. No. Okay, so therefore, please make sure that you have sufficient space, okay, when you draw your Venn diagram, so that you can put your elements and spread out nicely. Okay. Now, if I have a name for the universal set and I have a name for this particular circle that contains 1, 2, and 3, I definitely would need a name for the 4 and 5 as well. Okay. So 4 and 5 is not part of A, right? That is what we call a complement set. Okay. So usually we will put A and then apostrophe on top. Okay. We call it prime. Okay. Maybe I write it on top. So A prime, alright, or A complement, okay, will be the set containing 4 and 5. So complement set of A elements that are not in A. So the complement set of A basically contains elements that are not in A. Yeah. No, of course not.
So we say that prime.
Yes, yes. So sometimes it's X, then X prime lah. Okay? X complement. Universal set. Okay, so in this case, X is an integer between 1 and 13 inclusive of it. Then after that, B is a set X that contains X such that X is a prime number. Okay, so in part 1, we are required to list out all the elements of the universal set and then also of B. So the universal set will contain 1, 2, 3 all the way to 13. And then B, X is a prime number, it will be guided by the universal set. So you do not list out all the prime numbers, okay? So you will only list out the prime numbers found in the universal set. Okay, and what are they? 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 11, and 12. Drawing a Venn diagram, I would advise that you always list out your elements first before you draw a Venn diagram so that you don't miss out anything. Very basic requirement of it, I would expect your rectangle to be drawn with a ruler. Okay. Your circle need not be drawn by a compass. Okay. But of course, if you tell me that this is a circle, I don't know where to send you to. Okay. Okay, so draw a circle and then after that put in your elements. So you have your universal set and B. So put in whatever that's in B first. Then after that you put the things that are not in B outside.
Why you got number in B that's not in universal?
Sorry?
Why you got number in B that's not in universal?
Cannot be ma. Because B is guided by the universal set. B must be part of the universal set. 1, 4, 6. Make a point to count your elements to make sure that they are all accounted for. Yep.
Oh my god, drawing the screen.
Repeat.
So when I was like set action divided by
Yes, correct. Okay, then after that, B complement. The question asks for from the Venn diagram list all the elements of B complement in set location. So from the Venn diagram itself, I can easily see